Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert PDF to text for free. Let's start. As you can see, I have a PDF file on my desktop that I want to change the format from PDF to text. First, open your browser. Then go to PDFTOTEXT.com. After that, drag your PDF file in this box. Finally, select Download. Select Save File and then click on OK. Let's open our file. Great! As you can see, our format changed from PDF to text. There are many sites can do this convert, but I introduced this site to you because it's very easy to work with. See you soon in the next video.